Sup guys, today we will be playing Spider. I almost said Grow Garden. But yeah, basically I'll explain the game to y'all that don't know the game, and I'm still loading in. So yeah, don't judge. I have a crap phone, I know. Except, guys, I'm at the point where I don't care who friends me, I accept them. Sorry, I just got a message. I'll just ignore it. So if I'm Spider, I'll basically explain the role of Spider, and if I'm not, I'll basically explain the role of a player. I'm not Spider. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna explain the role of a player and basically play it. First up, click photo skip on the right side of your screen, cause it's just like a story, it's boring, y'all can go play the game and understand what it's for. So first up we have to search for keys. Let's search. We need the red key. So we search. The red key can be placed anywhere except random places like on the table. Oh, there's a green key. Let me get the green key to open the shed. Okay, yellow key. We only need that at the end, basically. So that's useless right now. Crowbar. Nice. No. Oh, and there's the red key already in that cabinet thing. Let me just break open this to make my life easier, because someone's gonna take the crowbar and I'm not gonna find it. Guys, and basically the spider can kill you while you're grinding in the game, so it's really hard. And they can place down webs. So yeah, that makes the game hard to begin with. Okay, we got the blue key. Now we're gonna go to the second story in the cabin. I know the game really good, so I'm not gonna really explain too much. I know what to do, I know how it works. Yeah, so basically you get caught if you go in a web, so that's why I didn't go in a web. Now I have to figure out how to get on top. To the top, not on top. Okay. Usually there's something next to the grave. The grave is basically my uncle, because the game is based off storyline, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna quote myself, just so that I can get uncaught, so that she can go through and stuff. Okay. Ooh, I made it in time because there's the spider. I don't know what that is. Sheesh. I made it. Whoa. Oh no. I almost just got caught. And I don't want to get caught on a video, because that's just gonna be embarrassing. Okay, so basically the C4 opens the bunker. Oh no, someone just got killed, I believe. Now we need a recall wrench. Oh no, spider's coming. Oh no, no, no. That's bad. Oh no, now I'm lagging. Okay guys, this is a safe spot. I'm just giving y'all advice, because basically when you're the spider, there's a ladder there that the spider can climb, and because the spider climbs the ladder, the spider basically can't get you. Okay, she just ran. I think I can run as well. Hopefully she gets the recall range somewhere. Oh no, this is scary, not gonna lie. Guys, I'm just gonna play until I get caught, or I lose, or I win, or whatever, however you say it. Chat, I almost thought she's gone. When does she go? When? Because I need to run. Okay, I made a run for it. Is she on the roof? Loki, nah. I think she was on the roof. No. Guys, basically you only can place down 8 webs. So basically if I do this when she's not around, I basically take her webs. Take her lives, you know. And if she gets stunned, the spider, it's probably a he or a she or whatever, it's just the skin. Recall wrench. No, it's not a recall wrench. What the hell? I'm so Grover Gordon fan, I don't know what. Where is she, Loki? Is she down there? No, she's not. Okay. Okay, chat, I win. This video is gonna end early today because I basically win. If she isn't in there and gets me now. So basically, this is how to complete it. The game can hold up to like six people, I think. So it's pretty easy to complete if you have friends, because they can help you. And I basically completed now. What happened to my voice? Okay, yeah, I completed, and then this is what's gonna happen. It's gonna like celebrate that I escaped. For now, I don't know why, because there's never an update or a other season or whatever. So basically that's a glitch room that y'all just saw. So now I can spectate on the home screen, I can check what's going on here. I can spectate the spider, I can spectate everybody. Then also I can see my coins, I have 205. You can also buy coins with Robux. I don't really do that because it's a waste. You can just grind, and then you can buy skins with your coins. So yeah, chat, comment which skin I should buy, and if I don't have money for that skin, then I should grind to get money for that skin. And you know, the only game pass that you can buy, like a game pass that stays forever, not like the coins you buy, is the 2x spider chance. Because being a spider is really easy, I would say. Being a player is hard.